What it do, man? It's your boy Louie back with another one, and we gotta do the front brakes. Gotta do the front brakes, man. So I'm already started taking off the bolts and stuff. So yeah, buddy, let me get that work done. Let's go. Look, there ain't no front pad on her. It's just rubbing, straight metal, roll to metal. Holler. Okay, man, we back with this car, man. She said, so look, whoever did this person's, I ain't gonna say no names or nothing. Whoever did this person's shit is as foul as fuck. Cause look at this, man. Look at this rotor, and then guess what's missing right here? A brake pad. Ain't no brake pad. How the hell was they allowing this person to even stop? It's crazy, bro. Like, this should be illegal, bro. Like, it literally no brake pad here. This is an 8-up rotor. So, shit is crazy. So, we got the, the new caliper. And rotor. This one's heavy. Okay. We got that. And this. And so, let me go and put this on real quick, man. Y'all see what it look like? All right, we finna get to work. See ya. Let's go. Okay, so we all done. We got it fixed. Old stuff in here. Old, new. Now that's the shine you wanna see. You heard?